Man, I got this nasty ass squeaking sound coming up front. I don't like that. I cannot figure it out. I know y'all can hear it too, because I can hear it pretty damn hard. Yeah, fuck that, I go. Genuinely not sure what that is. Well, like I said, I'll figure it out, or I'll pay someone to figure it out. It's one of the two. It's out riding on one of the last sunny days. I'm sure it'll end up being something super simple that I probably overlooked 18 times. And I'm sure it's going to be one of those ones where someone looks at it like, oh, it's just that. Does that make you feel dumb, that kind of thing, you know? That's how it usually goes. Granted, I do torture test the shit out of my own stuff by riding it how I normally ride it. Which I know y'all are like, oh, but it's a Harley, you can't ride it that hard, especially in these videos, it doesn't look like it. That's because my speedometer is down there, and y'all don't see that. When they're up here, though, y'all will see exactly what I mean by I ride the piss out of these things. It's a random thought while I'm riding here, but like, you'll ever watch videos or ride with people and they're like right on the bumper of the car in front of them? That always like tweaks me out a little bit, because like, where are you gonna go if you need to get around that car? You're just gonna have the person behind you back up a little bit so you can go around, or what? Or what if, forbid, the guy behind you gets rear-ended and pushed into you, or you see it happening, where are you gonna go? You're just gonna get sandwiched, you know? Oh, and this light works now too, that's great. Oh well. I got time. All I'm doing is playing video games and editing videos. I'm guessing that truck lives up there somewhere, has to poop. I'm also fairly certain my windshield's getting a little loose because I can hear it vibrate every once in a while when I'm at the right like speed. Oh, they got out up there at the light. I wonder if they work for the company that runs the light and they're saying this is taking too damn long. Oh no, they moved a cone, that's what it is. Ah, yeah, because they live right there. Ah, man. I love the infamous twin cam shake that this bike has. That was the only acknowledgement I'll get out of that guy. Besides the brief head nod, because I am on this line like a motherfucker. Now we gotta play which dumb motherfucker doesn't understand how a green light works. Because it was just green. And we moved 2 feet. As much as the builder wants me to shut this bike off when I'm stuck in traffic, I am not shutting shit off right now at all, because I do not want to have to re-put in this pin in traffic. Fuck that. I will just roast here and apologize to the bike for it getting a little hot. So how has y'all's summer been? Mine's been a little bit I don't want to say shit, but it hasn't been great. It's been kind of mid, I guess, is the proper way to describe it. This bike has had a lot of issues. Like I had it rebuilt because the motor fucked up. I bent the flywheel on it. That's what happened. Got it back, broke it in, swapped out the handlebars from the 16s that I liked a lot to the setup that I like a lot more, so I could run the fairing on it. Because unfortunately, when I blew the motor up, I gave them the green light to make it go burr, and I put a little over 15,000 into it. So there was a no way in fuck I'm buying a road glide now kind of thing going on in my head. So I put the fairing on it, you know. I do have suspension on the way for it, which I'm kind of excited about, but I'm kind of getting off track a little bit. Like I said, I put the new fairing on it, the bars, and then shortly after that, I met someone, started riding with her on the back, and then like literally 4 days into knowing her, this clutch went kaplooey. I'm gonna shut up for a second here so I can like insert the little 2-second, 3-second clip of me slapping the clutch lever where it's not doing anything but making noise. Dude, it's green. Who the fuck is holding this shit up? I think I'm gonna blow this light even if it turns red. Fuck that. Oh my god. Oh, I'm in first gear still, that's why. How popular is State Farm that they fucking have to stop for it? Oh my gosh. Sorry, I get a little warm. I'm out here in a work shirt that's neon blue. I wanted to wear something a little different, so I threw on my Harley hoodie. That wouldn't be a bad house, other than the construction that's cock blocking you to go to work. I was going to take a different way back home because I'm just recording this from the gas station in my house because I didn't really want to ride a whole lot today. I got some friends that are doing some stuff that I want to do with them. Mainly we're playing video games. I just didn't want to say that out loud, but fuck it. Now we're going the way I want to go. It turns out that guy was just slow. I want to make one of those ASMR videos, like, where they just put the mic on their GoPro and then put their, what is it called? You know, where they put, like, their adapter on their GoPro and the actual mic itself, like, behind them somewhere so they don't get any wind noise, they just get pure exhaust note. I want to do that. Kind of like how Cult of Speed does it. I think that's the username or their channel name. I'll link them below so you can see what I'm talking about. Oh yeah, Kawiyama put out his POV of his group ride that I made a video on. Go check that out too while you're down there. I'll link that as well. Not that he isn't already linked as one of the boys. Man, I need to feature him on the channel like I do Mac and Retro Nation, but I have been very bad about switching things up when I'm on my laptop. I just kind of like upload the videos unlisted and then edit it when I'm bored at work, as far as the title and the thumbnail and shit go. I actually do have a lot of videos banked right now. That way I can still post every week throughout the winter. Not quite where I want to be yet, but I'm getting closer. Expect a lot of topic videos because I feel like those are easier to make, or I feel they're easier to make because I can talk about it and the topic doesn't really change because usually it's just my opinion and I don't actually give, like, most of the time anyway, I don't give that many facts with it. It's just how I feel about things. I do want to ride the pit bike at one point during the winter when there's snow on the ground. I think that'd make a pretty good video. Although I am definitely going to freeze my ass off. Damn, I'm hitting like every single stop that I can. reference my earlier point about how I ride the piss out of these bikes and y'all would never know because you don't see my speedometer, as I look down, that was a 90-mile-an-hour hit out of that corner, which wasn't even like wide open. That was like quarter throttle, half throttle at best. I womp these bikes, guys. That's why they be breaking all the time. It's also why they get upgraded all the time, because I just set aside money on my credit card, buy shit, and then I pay it off, put it back on the credit card, and rinse and repeat. Build up that credit score while I can, you know. About at the end of this run here, I don't want y'all to know too much about where I live. A couple of guys that are local to the area that I haven't invited to my house yet have been like, oh dude, I can figure out where you're at based on that hill. And it's like, oh fuck. Alright. Gotta stop looking at the road when I ride that fucking pit bike around my property. Damn. Hopefully I entertained you guys on this sunny Thursday afternoon. And hopefully, well, I guess technically it's on this Saturday afternoon when I post it, but I'm riding on a Thursday afternoon when it's sunny out, so hopefully y'all enjoy. Hopefully you guys will stick around for some more videos. I just pulled out in front of a car, son of a bitch. I got the power, we're good. And we're there. We're up to limit. But hopefully y'all will stick around for future videos. Maybe check out some old ones. Let me know how your day in summer went. Or leave a comment. Maybe a fun fact I don't know. Maybe hit the subscribe button too. I don't know. Anyway, roll that 10-second outro. That's just a picture of one of my 3 bikes. Deuces. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I was gonna try and smack your windshield, but you're too far away. I'm gonna shout this guy out. He's gonna have no fucking idea who the hell I am.